This is a solar-powered water pump I purchased from Silicon Solar. It cost approximately $140, including shipping. This pump is actually intended for ornamental ponds and fish ponds. It is not intended for hydroponics. However, I will adapt it. These are the attachments for the ornamental ponds. I don't know if they can possibly be used in hydroponics. This is the pump itself. The pump has a long cable. This is the DC plug. This is the solar panel itself. The solar panel is made of glass and aluminum. It is very fragile. It must be secured to a plywood backing to protect it from wind. Notice the DC plugs. They are self-sealing and weatherproof. Excellent. This is the soft neoprene clamp I use to secure the solar panels to the plywood base. The plywood base is required because of the fragility of the solar panel. Notice that I made this out of soft neoprene, several layers of soft neoprene. The plywood panel then mounts to the steel frame of the hydroponic system. Stainless steel clamps secure the plywood to the steel frame. The previous solar panel withstood winds of approximately 80 to 90 miles an hour. Now, the solar panel fits into the soft neoprene clamps. When I plugged the DC to DC connector together from the solar panel to the pump instantly functioned. Nutrient solution flowed through the pipes and into the growing tubes. This pump puts out the volume. There's a good feature. These are sensors If for any reason the water level drops, the pump quits. When the water level returns, the pump restarts. This eliminates the expensive fail-safe systems used by AC pumps. This pump is excellent. The solar panel functions from approximately 8:30 in the morning on a sunny day to 5 o'clock in the afternoon on a sunny day in March. In the summer, it will run many more hours.